I want to address something related. Ranking Member Durbin talked about some of Ed Martin's incendiary comments about January 6th and the effort to reinvent what happened that day. Among the most significant efforts to reinvent what happened that day were, of course, the President's pardons of 1,550 people, including hundreds of those who violently attacked police officers. But the most recent development along those lines was the decision by the Justice Department to seek to foreclose the collection of restitution ordered by courts for people who broke into this building, assaulted police officers, vandalized the Capitol. The Justice Department is now taking the position that those court-ordered restitution should not be paid. Basically, what this all means is if you come to the Capitol and you engage in violence, you'll get a pardon by the President as long as you're engaging in that violence on his behalf. If you come to the Capitol and you want to vandalize the Capitol building, any of the Senate offices, if you want to trash the Speaker's office, and you're convicted, and the court orders you to pay restitution for the damage that you do, but that damage is being done in the President's name, then your obligation to pay restitution for that damage will be voided by the Justice Department. How is that justice? How is that anything but an encouragement to further violence, further vandalism, for an administration that claims to be an administration about crime and law and order? They are pardoning violent criminals who attack cops. They are trying to appoint a U.S. attorney who glorifies people who attack cops. And they are now seeking to do away with any restitution being paid by people who attack cops and vandalize this building. I think that's just shameful.